Hello guys! If you run a cleaning service business and you want to provide services only within selected locations, then this location coverage add-on is perfect for you. After installing the location coverage add-on, go to the settings page. Here you will see a menu called location coverage. Now you can configure everything from this panel. First, you will see a switcher to enable or disable the location feature. If you turn this option on, then your booking system will only allow bookings from selected service locations. Next, you can edit the headline and customize it as you wish. There is also an option for Google Maps API key, but this is optional. If you want to use your Google Maps API, you can click the link provided, create an API key, and paste it here. Then comes the business location section. Here you can set your latitude and longitude, and you can also enter all available zip codes. If you have multiple zip codes, separate them using commas. If you don't want to use any zip code limitations, you can simply remove them and leave it blank. Next, you'll find the distance type. You can choose miles, kilometers, or nautical miles. For example, if you choose kilometers and set the distance limit to 30, it means customers within 30 kilometers of your selected location will be allowed to book. If you set it to 0, that means the system will not apply any distance restrictions. There is also an option for multiple distance. If you turn this on, you can add multiple locations. By clicking the Edit button, you can add more locations with custom labels, states, distance limits, latitude, and longitude. A very useful feature here is that you can set an additional service fee for each specific location. You can also set zip codes for each location individually. At the bottom, you will see the Detect Location option. If you enable this, the system will automatically detect the customer's location during booking. For this feature, you don't need a Google Maps API key. After configuring everything, click Save All Changes. Now, let's check the booking form. Here, you can see that we have one available zip code. If a customer enters a zip code that is not allowed, for example, 1213, when the allowed zip is 1212, and they click Confirm Booking, the system will show an error message, Enter Valid Booking Address. This ensures that bookings can only be made within your service coverage areas. Hopefully, now you understand how the location coverage add-on works. Thank you.